Assalamu alaikum or good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to the next lecture of English language. Children, as you all know, we are continuously doing with the lessons, but in between I am going to start today one of the very important topic of writing skill, because this I have already given you for the project work, so it will help you out. Okay, so today I am going to take dialogue writing. Dialogue writing, it's a very easy topic which you are doing since from 5th standard if I am not wrong, है ना. dialogue writing आप बहुत lower classes से लिखते आ रहे हो. This question used to carry 5 marks in the paper when paper was of 100 marks. But as you all know, from last year the paper pattern of SSC board is changed. It is reduced and become of 80 marks. That's why this question is shifted to assignment. Okay, this question doesn't come in the paper, but yes, of course you have to write dialogue writing as an assignment, and assignment carries 10 marks. Okay, so this is one of the question of assignment. समझ में आ रहा? That's why I have also given you for the assignment if I am not wrong. समझ आया? ये क्वेश्चन एग्ज़ाम में नहीं आता है. ये और इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस, ये दो क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं जो एग्ज़ाम्स में नहीं पूछे जाते, बट दे आर शिफ्टेड टू द असाइनमेंट, एंड असाइनमेंट फॉर इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट कैरीज 10 मार्क्स. फाइन. So let's start dialogue writing. How to write dialogue? How to write dialogue, children? It's a dialogue. It's always a conversation between two people. Most of the time between two people. तीन लोगों के बीच का तो होता नहीं है mostly. तो it's between two people. So you know what, children? You should have your imaginary power. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको रट्टा मार के नहीं चलता. यहाँ आपका इमेजिनेशन क्या है वो आपको होना चाहिए, बिकॉज टॉपिक कैन बी एनीथिंग. यू शुड बी रेडी टू राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू द टॉपिक गिवन बाय द एग्जामिनर. समझ में आ रहा? टॉपिक कुछ भी होगा, आपको मेंटली प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए. फॉर दैट यू शुड हैव अ नॉलेज, you should have a practice. Fine, children. So you and one more thing, you should have a good command on English language. Don't make spelling mistakes, don't make grammatical mistake, because if you do all these such mistakes you lose your marks. So let's see how to write interview questions. Sorry, not interview questions, dialogue writing. Dialogue writing is the writing of a conversation between two or more people. The person get involved in the discussion of a particular issue or topic, each of them giving his or her own opinion. The dialogue is written as in a drama or play, with the names of each speaker separated from the words they speak by a colon. The vocabulary and language used is simple and casual if the conversation is between friends of acquaintances, but normal and more polite if one of the speaker is someone in authority. See children, they can give you any topic regarding the conversation. अब suppose आज हम दिन भर में कितने लोगों से बातचीत करते हैं अगर आप देखोगे तो. If I am at home, yes obviously I have a talk with my housemates. Okay, if I am going out in the college or in the school, so I'll have a discussion with, as if you all know that I am a teacher, so I will have my conversation with my students, with my principal sir, right, with my co-teachers. So this is मी. ओके, तो थ्रू आउट द डे आई हैव अ कॉन्वर्जेशन विद दीज मैनी पीपल्स, है ना. मेरे इतनी लोगों से बातचीत होती है. समटाइम्स व्हाट वी डिस्कस ऑन एनी इशू, वी डिस्कस समटाइम रिगार्डिंग द एग्जामिनेशन, regarding the syllabus, how to teach, how to do. Sometimes we sort out each other's queries, we sort out each other's difficulties, we help each other, है ना. ये सारी चीज़ें मेरी होती है एज अ टीचर. What about you as a student? When your day begins, you have your conversation with your parents. Then when you come in the school, you have a discussion with your, most of the times you discuss with your friends, right? Because that is a place where you feel comfortable. तो क्या डिस्कस करते हो आप? समटाइम्स most of the children, they discuss about completing the books. They ask for the books, they convince the other friend to give to lend his book or her book. अरे आज तेरी बुक मुझे दे दे. So there is a conversation between two people. वो बोलेगा क्यों दूँ, तो फिर आप बोलोगे no, I have to complete this. Then why you did not complete before? So whatever it is, so these kind of conversation you have with your friend, sometime with the teacher if you have not done your homework or you have any query. यहाँ पे आपका एक कॉन्वर्जेशन होता है. तो ये मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. सपोज you have to take something from the library, तो you will have a conversation with the librarian, है ना. If you have to if you want bona fide certificate or something, तो you will have a conversation with the clerk, है ना. तो इतने लोगों से conversation होता रहता है on a different topics. समझ में आया. Apart from this, do you have any other conversation? Obviously if you are going out and purchasing something, तो you will have a conversation with the शॉपकीपर, मेडिकल, है ना. ये इन सारे लोगों से हमारी बातचीत होती है. बट इफ़ यू आर फेमिलियर विद द पर्सन, यू कैन टॉक वेरी कैजुअली. बट इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग टू सम अथॉरिटी, योर कॉन्वर्जेशन बिकम्स पोलाइट एंड वेरी फॉर्मल. नाउ इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग टू द प्रिंसिपल, ऑब्वियसली यू शुड स्पीक इन अ फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज, है ना. एक रिस्पेक्ट होगा और एक मतलब शॉर्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन होगी, एंड योर वॉइस शुड बी पोलाइट. समझ में आ रहा. सो वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन ऑल्सो डिफर्स व्हेन यू टॉक टू द authorities. See, the objective of dialogue writing is to develop conversational English used in day-to-day life. While writing dialogue, the following points must be kept in the mind. ये सारी चीज़ें याद रखनी है कि आपको किस तरह से डायलॉग लिखने हैं. There should be a proper introduction of the topic. पहले तो बताओ कि क्यों लिख रहे हो, है ना. In the beginning, see, whenever you start in the beginning, in 2 lines you have to show the scenery. आपको बताना है कि क्या हो रहा है. You have to give the instructions in the beginning, and then you have to start with the dialogues. Appropriate tense should be used, of course. If incident is taken place in the past and you are writing in future tense, then it will be wrong. And if you are chatting with someone, then it should be in the present tense. बच्चे क्या करते हैं, डायलॉग राइटिंग में मोस्टली प्रेजेंट टेंस ही यूज़ होता है. इफ़ दे आर, है ना. टेंस मेकिंग मिस्टेक ऑफ टेंस इज़ वेरी वेरी कॉमन. लैंग्वेज स्टाइल शुड बी इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड रिलेशन ऑफ द स्पीकर. Dialogue should be written in very simple, lucid language, keeping in mind the flow of conversation. Okay, it should be in the form of conversation. If you are using some expression in between, so there should be exclamation mark, proper punctuation marks should be there. Punctuation marks should be used appropriately wherever necessary. There should be appropriate greetings. Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum, जो भी है. A tactful introduction of the topic. 5 sets of dialogue and a tactful closure with appropriate greeting. देखो, पहले 2 लाइन में इंट्रोडक्शन और 2 लाइन में नीचे कंक्लूजन, मतलब ख़त्म होता. और बाकी के लाइंस कितने चाहिए, 5 मतलब 1 कैरेक्टर शुड स्पीक 5 लाइंस. तो दोनों के मिला के हो गए 10 लाइंस. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू मेंशन इन द कैरेक्टर विद द कोलन. मालूम, मी 2 dots, then you are talking. Friend 2 dots, then talking. This is 1 pair. Like this you have to make a 5 pair. Understood? देखो यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल है. द फॉलोइंग advertisement is read by 2 students, Neeraj and Hansal. Okay, 2 students are reading this. Choose your career. Students, choose your career. Law, engineering, architecture or something else. Make your mind attend a career camp. Contact 983. So it's an advertisement of career guidance camp. वहाँ पे बताया जाता है कि आपको कौन सा सिलेक्ट करना है after standard 10. So this is read by 2 students, and after reading that, on that particular topic they are discussing. Write a dialogue between them discussing their choice of a career. ठीक है. अब ये पढ़ने के बाद वो 2 बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, आपस में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि उन्हें which career should be selected by them. It happens, children. Obviously, sincere and an obedient student, those who are very fond of studies, they do this, right? If I am not wrong. So see how they are discussing. See, one of this is Hansal and one of this is Neeraj. Write a dialogue between them discussing their choice of career. Neeraj: hello Hansal, it's been a long time since we have met. How are you? Hansal: oh, I have been fine. Busy looking up the newspaper, trying to decide on a career. What about you? See, your question mark, your exclamation mark. Very carefully you have to do all these things. If you miss any of them, you will lose your marks over there. Neeraj: well, I have been doing this and that. Oh, and yes, I too have been scouring the classified section of newspaper. What have you decided on? See, this kind of news comes in the classified advertisement. कभी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा है क्या, नहीं पढ़ा है तो आज खोलो और देखो कि क्या उसमें आया हुआ है. ओके. Hansal: I have not decided on anything so far, but I am considering teaching or the law. See, this is his choice. Neeraj, oh, it's that so? Well, you have always been a good student and a good speaker. You have also got a sharp mind for details. I think any one of these careers would be good for you. Well, yes, you have this kind of ability, and this is very suitable career for you. Okay. See, suppose if I am very good in maths, so I should not go for this career. I should go for the engineering, right? Hansel, and what about you, Neeraj? I have always been good at mathematics and so am considering starting to be a chartered accountant. See, he want to become a CA. Hansel, that's good line as any, but you will have to study economics and bookkeeping, which are definitely not my piece of cake. जो मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. Underline this, huh? This is one of the phrase. See, you can make your dialogue writing more beautiful by using phrases into it. Neeraj, well, each to this own. Let's see what the future holds for us. Best of luck in your endeavor. Hansel, wish you the same. They discuss and they said, let's see. अभी तो हम बहुत छोटे हैं, अब देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. But I just want to become this. Okay, children, have you understood this? I will give you one more example for better understanding. क्या है देखो, the following report of an important match appear in a local daily. Boring cricket, undeserved win. See, as nowadays IPL is going on, so it will become very easier for you to understand and you can imagine more easily. If you cannot imagine, you can visualize at the in the night, है ना. अगर आपको imagine नहीं हो रहा तो आप रात में मैच देख लो live, आपको समझ में आएगा because daily these matches are going on. But yes, this is not related to the IPL match. This is related to some other match. Let's see what it is exactly. I just gave the example of IPL for better understanding. Mumbai, May 17. Yesterday's match between India and Sri Lanka was an exercise in boredom. Although India finally won, the performance of the players was pathetic to say the least. Bad cricket, undeserved win. That's how most of the spectators judged the match. Okay, India finally won, but the performance of the player was pathetic. अच्छा नहीं खेले उन्होंने, वो तो चलो luckily जीत गए. Okay, कभी May 17 Mumbai. See, this is the discussion which is going on between two friends. They are cricket lovers. They saw the match and they are, commentary सुनने के बाद या फिर जो भी सारे programs देखे and even they saw the match. And they also came on the conclusion that it was the pathetic match. ऐसा लग रहा था कि पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. Very boring. Not at all entertaining. Okay, and players, they were pathetic in their performances. Pathetic मतलब बकवास एकदम. So this is the discussion which is going on between two friends on this particular topic. Let's see how they discuss. Okay, this is the match India versus Sri Lanka. It was. The following report of an important. Write a dialogue that you have with your friend about the match. अभी आप सोचो कि एक आप हो और आपका एक फ्रेंड है और इस टाइप की मैच आपने देखी है. तो come on. Myself. Hi, did you watch the cricket match yesterday? You discussed this, right? Mostly boys, they discuss regarding the match because last year I think we had World Cup, I think, yes, and I saw that 10th standard children, they used to discuss with their friends related to the match. Yes, I have seen this. And yes, it's a good interest, children. If you are watching cricket match, if you have interest in cricket, it's a good interest. Hi, did you watch the cricket match yesterday, friend? Yes, I did. It was very interesting and exciting too. See, this is the opinion one of the friend. उसको बहुत अच्छी लगी. Myself, but I found it very dull. I was quite disappointed. Friend, why? Both the teams played so well. Myself, yes, but Sri Lanka scored runs very slowly. It looked like they were tired and bored. Friends, what rubbish. I found them playing a good game of cricket. A slow run rate was their strategy. Myself, India's fielding too was bad. Imagine we dropped 3 catches. See, he is a keen observer. उसको पूरा मालूम है क्या क्या हुआ. Friend, that happened in the game, but all these factors resulted in such a nail-biting finish. Myself, you may say you enjoyed the game because India finally won. However, I think both teams could have played more professionally. We play better matches in our school, I must say. Okay, so one is very happy and another one is not satisfied with the team's performance. As if you are a real and true cricket lovers, you expect more from the team. Okay, in my I was also the biggest cricket lover. Now I don't have that much of interest, but yes, I used to watch all the matches, and yes, of course, I also had a very strong opinion related to the matches. Now तो I don't get time, so yes, I can understand that this happen. जो क्रिकेट फैंस हैं उनको ऐसा लगता है कि टीम में और अच्छा खेलना चाहिए, एंड दे कीप द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ ऑल सच थिंग्स, द मिस्टेक्स एंड द मिस्टेक्स, और कौन से प्लेयर को लिया है, विच प्लेयर इज़ नॉट देयर. ओके, सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स मैटर्स. समझ में आ रहा? वही मैं कह रही थी कि अगर आपको नहीं समझता है तो यू कैन वॉच वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट मैच एंड यू कैन राइट योर ओन व्यू ऑल्सो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, I hope you all have understood how to write the dialogue writing. I told you before also, this doesn't come in the paper, but yes, you have to maintain this questions in written as an assignment. And एक बार और reminder दे दूँ मैं, we have already given you assignments children, if you remember, on the open day, and you have to write these assignments. ठीक है, topic is different. हाँ, ये same topic नहीं है, topic is different because that is the assignment. You have to do something on your own. Only the topic is changed, but pattern will be same. Okay, that's why I have taken this topic. I hope you all have understood how to write the dialogue writing. Okay, I will just end up with this. Imagination and creativity can change the world. So you should have a great imagination power. You should imagine. Writing skill जो है वो रट्टा मार कर नहीं होती. There you should have your imaginary power. Okay, imagination and creativity, and you should have a creativity to spread that imagination in the form of words on the paper. समझ में आ रहा? आपकी कल्पनाओं को पेपर पे उतारने की जो क्षमता है वो आप में होनी चाहिए. देन यू कैन चेंज द वर्ल्ड. तो आई लीव यू विद दिस ब्यूटीफुल थॉट. Thank you so much children. Take care of yourself and please do the assignment nicely. These two I'm going to give you the notes you will be writing in the grammar, English grammar book, language study side. Okay, not language study, sorry, writing skill section. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye.